Did you know that a sunflower isn't just a beautiful flower? It's also a solar marvel. These golden giants perform a daily dance, twisting and turning their faces to follow the sun's journey across the sky. Picture an entire field of sunflowers, a radiant ocean of yellow, all swaying in unison. It's a sight that captures the heart and fires the imagination. Today we're stepping into this world of wonder, exploring the life of a sunflower farmer. Get ready to be enchanted by the unique experience of cultivating these magnificent blooms. Working on a sunflower farm is more than just a job. It's an experience that connects you to nature like no other. As you wander through the towering sunflowers, you are enveloped in a sea of vibrant yellow and lively green. The hum of busy bees fills the air as they diligently collect pollen from the massive flower heads. It's a symphony of nature, a reminder of the delicate balance and beauty within our ecosystem. But beneath the beauty lies hard work and dedication. Sunflower farming, like any agricultural endeavor, confronts a myriad of challenges, and the two most formidable foes are unpredictable weather and pests. Weather, in all its whims and unpredictability, can wreak havoc on a sunflower field. Sudden downpours can drown tender seedlings, while a scorching sun can dehydrate them. The tall stature of sunflowers, a sight to behold, makes them susceptible to strong winds, which can topple them over, causing significant damage to the crop. Then there's the ever-present battle with pests. It's a constant tug-of-war with nature. Hungry insects, with their insatiable appetites, can quickly defoliate a plant, while birds, particularly finches, have a fondness for the nutritious seeds. This requires constant vigilance and proactive measures to ensure the health of the sunflower crop. Pests also pose a significant threat, from hungry insects munching on leaves to destructive birds eyeing the seeds. Constant vigilance is required to ensure a healthy crop. So what does a typical day on a sunflower farm look like? Well, it's a symphony of diligence and dedication playing out under the open sky. From the break of dawn, the farmers are out in the field armed with their tools and a heart full of hope. The journey of a sunflower from seed to bloom begins with a careful planting of seeds. Each seed is entrusted to the soil, a tiny bundle of potential waiting to be unleashed. The farmers scatter these seeds with expert precision, each one a promise of future beauty. Next comes the nurturing. Watering is a crucial task, ensuring each seedling receives just enough moisture to thrive, but not so much that it drowns. The farmers must also be mindful of the sun, which can be both a friend and a foe. Too little sunlight, and the seedlings struggle to grow. Too much, and they risk wilting under the harsh rays. Weeding is another important task. Unwanted plants can compete with sunflowers for resources, so they are regularly removed to ensure the sunflowers have the best possible chance to flourish. As the seedlings sprout and grow into young plants, they enter a critical stage. This is when they are most vulnerable to pests and disease. Farmers must keep a vigilant eye out for any signs of trouble, ready to intervene at the first indication of distress. In time, the young plants grow taller, their stems stretching upwards as if reaching for the sun. Some of these plants can grow to be several feet tall, and they may require support to prevent them from toppling over. Farmers often use stakes to help these taller plants stand tall and proud. And through it all, the farmers monitor the weather, ready to adjust their watering schedule based on the whims of Mother Nature. Whether it's a sudden downpour or an unexpected heat wave, they must be prepared to adapt and overcome. As the sunflowers grow, they require constant attention, monitoring for pests, supporting the taller ones with stakes, and adjusting irrigation based on the weather. Then comes the most rewarding moment, the glorious bloom. After long weeks of meticulous tending and ceaseless care, the sunflowers begin their spectacular show. Slowly, one by one, the buds unfurl their golden petals, revealing a sight that never fails to inspire awe. The vibrant yellow of the sunflower heads contrasts strikingly against the backdrop of the clear blue sky, creating a picturesque scene that seems straight out of a painting. Each sunflower, standing tall and proud, becomes a beacon of hope and resilience. They symbolize the power of patience, the beauty of growth, and the joy of fruition. The sight of a sunflower in full bloom is not just a visual feast, but also an emotional experience that tugs at the heartstrings. As the days pass, the blooms multiply, converting the once green field into a sea of gold. The entire field transforms into a dazzling ocean of sunshine, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers. Working on a sunflower farm is more than just a job. It's a connection to nature, a sense of accomplishment, and a unique perspective on the world. Imagine waking up each day to the sight of a golden sea of sunflowers, knowing that each bloom is there because of your hard work and dedication. Each seed planted, each leaf nurtured, and each bloom harvested is a testament to your efforts. The joy of farming sunflowers comes from the harmony between man and nature. It's a dance of patience and persistence, where every step is guided by the rhythm of the seasons. The rewards, they are as tangible as the sunflower seeds you harvest, and as intangible as the sunrise over a blooming field, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold. There's a deep satisfaction in witnessing the fruits of your labor, the towering sunflowers swaying in the breeze, a symbol of resilience and beauty.